What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Nomad rugged folio case for the all-new iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So the iPhone comes out tomorrow, at least at the time this video was made, and there's a lot of case options now which you can get before the iPhone is released. So for those of you who aren't a fan of Apple's hugely overpriced folio case for the iPhone XS and XS Max, Nomad makes a very comparable one that uses high quality leather and offers just as much if not more features than Apple's own folio case. Like last year's leather folio cases I reviewed from Nomad, they still use Horween leather, but new for this year is that they finally introduced black as a color and not just tan. Anyways, very easy to open. You just pop it open like so, and the first and only thing that we get is the case itself, and that is pretty much it. So like I mentioned earlier, this is a genuine Horween leather, which adds a really nice patina effect after you use this case over time. Anyways, just take a quick overview of this case before we slap our iPhone in here. You can see the inside has a nice microfiber lined material, just like Apple's own folio case, to protect the back from scratching. The Nomad case also has more card slots to it. You have this large back one here, as well as 3 additional ones on the side. Apple's own leather case is only restricted to 2 card slots, 1 single large one and 1 smaller card one on the front. One thing I already like about this case is that here is a look at the Apple Folio case for the iPhone X from last year, which is the same case as this year. And you see they don't protect the bottom, but with the Nomad case, we do have bottom protection, which is a really nice bonus with this case. Anyways, take a quick overview of this case. We do have stitching that surrounds the entire border of the folio flap here. And you can see the leather also extends to the back part of the case, fused with the TPU material. On the inside part of the case, as you guys saw earlier, multiple card slots as well as a single large slot behind it. The entire flap is microfiber lined material, very soft to the touch and protects the front of the screen. You have the Nomad logo engraved on the bottom corner. Moving on to the case portion, Nomad has one of the best fitted cases I've seen for an iPhone. It's very snug to the body and there's no wiggle room between the case and the phone. The TPU material makes it very easy to take the case on and off your phone. You can see it also lips just above the glass screen, so you do have an excellent amount of top protection. On the sides here, you have covers for your volume rockers, and you still get nice tactile feedback when you press on them. Generous cutout for the vibrate and ring switch, as well as another cover for the power button on the right side. Moving on to the back of the case, there's a precise cutout for the dual camera and flash, and like you guys saw earlier, the leather does extend all the way around the back here as well. Almost forgot on the bottom here, you have 3 individual cutouts for your stereo speakers, mic, and lightning ports. Here's a quick look at what the case looks like with some cards and some money in it, just to give you guys an idea of what this case would look like for those of you who are wanting to use this as a wallet style case. Overall guys, I'm definitely very impressed with Nomad's leather folio case for the new iPhone XS and XS Max. I'm really happy that he introduced the black color for these cases, as I'm a big fan of the black leather look. And like I mentioned earlier, this is a great alternative to Apple's folio case if you want something that offers genuine leather, same amount of features with card slots and such. You could argue a bit more protection because this is a hybrid style case with TPU bezeled borders. But of course, one of the biggest things is that this is much more affordable than Apple's overpriced case. The only thing that the Nomad case is missing compared to the Apple Folio case is the magnetic unlock feature, where you open the flap and the screen turns on. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only thing I could say is that the flap here doesn't like to stay flat, and that's probably largely due to the fact that the leather is new and a bit stiff, so I'd imagine over wear and tear over time, it should become a little bit more flexible and stay flat, but that's the only annoying thing I don't like about this case. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for an Apple Folio case alternative, you want something that's a little bit more protective and offers a few more card slots, you definitely can't go wrong with the Nomad rugged folio case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.